Hey everyone, Jeffrey here. Today it's time to repot a few plants that I've been meaning to get to. Cold weather is coming and I have about 15 or 20 to do, so I'd better get started with these first 7 I have ready. First up is this bronze Coleus. It has green and burgundy leaves, and it's one of my favorites because when standing back it takes on its bronze appearance. I bought it last year and so far I've been able to keep it alive. And another cutting. And this one is the same bronze Coleus that wasn't in as bright as the light, so it took on greener leaves. Chocolate Drop Coleus. This one is great anywhere, especially in hanging baskets or taller pots because it likes to act as a spiller and hang down over the sides. Wandering Jews. These vine plants are great basically anywhere, especially in hanging baskets. I trimmed some of these off of a huge one growing on my front porch last month, so now their roots are long enough to plant. They grow fast, and if they stay warm and get bright light, they'll grow about an inch a week. If you are interested, I made a short video about them, so I'll put the link to it below, or you can click on it at the end of this video. And another wandering Jew. This one is going to my neighbor lady. I promised her one, so tomorrow I'll run it over to her and put it on her front stairs for a little surprise. I've given away so many that I have to actually propagate more. I don't mind one bit because, hey, if it makes other people happy, I'm happy. And that's it. I'm going to water them in really well to get rid of any air pockets, let them sit for a few minutes, then water them a little bit more and let them drain out on my front porch. I'm going to put all 7 of these in my extra bedroom because the light is very bright in there. These take a lot of water, so they'll be easier to manage for the winter next to other plants I have in there instead of being spread out all around the house. I hope you enjoyed my little repotting video, and I'll see you in the next one.